Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we are showing you prepositions of place. It is a very useful grammar point. So, for example, you see on the picture, the dog is in the box. What can you put there? We will show you this today. Let's go together. So, in the bottom right corner, you have the basic prepositions of place. In, on, under, behind, in front of, between, next to, near, and by. So now, where is the dog? Look at the picture and tell me where the dog is. The dog is on the box. On means on top of the box. Where is the dog? The dog is in the box. Where is the dog? The dog is under the box. Where is the dog? The dog is in front of the box. Where is the dog? The dog is between the boxes. Where is the dog? The dog is behind the box. Where is the dog? The dog is next to the box, but for this one there are other answers. The dog is near the box is also good. Or you can say, the dog is by the box. They are all good. Where is the dog? The dog is above the box. But wait, this is very strange because a dog is moving. It is not static. So usually we cannot say this. But you could use it in this case. Where is the door number? Because the door number doesn't move. And the door doesn't move either. So you can say, the door number is above the door. Good job. Now let's practice together, okay? Let's go. Hey, where is my phone? Your phone is in your pocket. Hey, do you know where my phone is? Now it's your turn. Let's go. Your phone is in your handbag. Hey, have you seen my phone? Your phone is on the table. Hey, I think I lost my phone. Your phone is under the bed. I can't remember where I put my phone. Your phone is on the sofa. I can't see it on the sofa. Where is it? Your phone is between the sofa cushions. Hey, have you seen my phone? Your phone is in front of the TV. Hey, did you take my phone? Your phone is behind your laptop. I can't find my phone anywhere. So let's start with desk. Your phone is on the desk. Books. Your phone is next to the books. Glasses. Your phone is near your glasses. Good job, guys. Hey, you did very well with prepositions of place, but in our next video, we will show you prepositions of movement. They are a little bit more difficult, but I'm sure you can do it. Don't forget to like us, don't forget to share and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.